Hello and welcome again. Today we will learn something interesting. So this is, I press Window E to bring the Explorer. I'll go to my lecture part, and then today we'll talk about branching. So double click on that. So let me adjust the windows. So I'll use Windows. So I'll press Windows button and the right arrow key, and you see it comes on the right side. If I press Windows and left arrow key, it will come to the left side. So I want it on the right side. So I'll just press Windows and right arrow key, so it comes up there. And I'm interested in that's it. So I'll just click on somewhere here. So I'm not interested in any other part. Now I want the black screen, the console. So I will type CMD at the bottom, CMD, and press enter. So I got the black screen. Now we have, I want to change my directory. Okay. And then I want to run Python. So let's try to run Python before I change the directory. So, okay, let me increase the size. So what I can do is I can just make it small, and then I can increase the size just by. So, and by the way, I want to have this Windows on the left side. So what I'll do is I'll say Windows and left arrow key. So it is on the left side. So on the right side, I have my document, and on left side, I have the small windows, the console windows. So I can type Python. And the Python, it says is not recognized. So system does not know where my Python is stored. So what I'll do is I'll just go up there. I'll say, okay, CD, go to the backslash. My folder is users, and then I'll have TSE. So this is my folder. In this folder, I have a batch file. Okay. So I'm saying directory display.bat star.bat. Okay. So it comes up that I have a batch file, and I want to display you guys this batch file. So I'll open it in the notepad. So I can say notepad a.bat, and this is the batch file. So I have a path command. So let me increase the size. So I have a path command. You see, this is one path command, another path command. The main path command which I'm interested is this one. Okay, so this is the place where my Python 3.13 is stored. So I just added this path into my batch file. Now, otherwise I have to type this command every time. So what I did, I just stored it in a batch file, and now I will run the batch file. And by the way, when I run the batch file, at the end, it will change to the TMP directory as well, which is available in TSE's folder. So let's try that. I just say A, press enter, and now it set the path, and it changes me to this part as well. Oh, before I go for that, what I can do is I can say notepad, and my program file is 04.py. Okay, so I just press enter, and that's it. It opens the file. Now I want to adjust this Windows. So what I'll do is I'll say, okay, Windows left arrow key. So it comes on the left side. I want to bring it a little bit down, Windows down arrow key, and something like that. So I'll click on this black screen. So the black screen is on the upper half. My program file is on the bottom half, on the left side. And then this is my um, lecture slides, lecture part, lecture file is on the right side. So this is how I'm going to set uh, my screen. Now I want to clear the screen. So the operating system command is CLS, that will clear my screen. Okay. And now I want to try these commands, which are import s, and now imagine if I am somewhere else, for example, I say cd backslash, I'm in the root directory, and I want to change my directory using the Python. So what I'll do is I'll go to the Python. Okay, so it is available. I'm on the Python prompt. So what I'll do is I have a clear command, by the way, here to clear my screen. So this is clear, CLEAR, huh? That will clear the screen. Now I'll use this command, import OS. This is operating system module. So I'll say, okay, I want to import OS. You can say module or you can say library. So I'm importing the library. And then I want to see the current path where I'm working on. So os dot get cwd, current working directory. And it says that, okay, you are on the root directory. So no, I have to change my path to where my files are. So I'm going to say os dot change directory, and then I can say, okay, go to the C:\\. Oh, I have to use double backslash because this Python understands double backslash. And then we have a users backslash TSEs backslash, oh, two timer, sorry. And then double backslash TMP. Okay. Now my path should not be C:\\, the root one. My path should be, by the way, I can use up arrow keys to bring the previous command, huh? Down arrow key, the next command, and up arrow key, the previous command. And you see that? So I change my path from this to this with the help of change directory command. Okay. So this is how you'll be using all these commands. This one, if you open this one, yeah, you can open the file from this one, but the only problem is then you will not be able to do anything on this one. So unless you close the file. This is the execute command that we will use, inshallah. This execute command will help you to run the program. Okay, the program that you are writing. And this last command will print where the Python executable command is available. So if you don't know, then you can just type this command, but keep in mind that you should have imported OS and sys directory because we are using sys as well. So since we have only imported OS, so I have to import sys as well. And now I can say print, yani display me the path. Okay, directory names, os.path directory name, and then I will say sys.executable. So it will give me the path for the executable of our Python program. There you go. So you can use this path every time you want to. If you have no batch file, then you can use this path every time you want to set the path for executable. Okay, now that's it. So when we will create our first program, for example, I have my program. Now I can say I want to display hello world. Okay, and this is my program name 04py. So how can I execute? I will say execute, and then I can say open dot read, and in the open I will open my file. What is that? 04.py. So that is how you can execute the file. Press enter and it says hello world. So this command is used for opening the file in a read mode, or you can say that execute the program which we have created. So I hope it will help you in setting up your screens for using my notes and running your program. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video.